We'll guide you through how to bold text in Google Keep. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, click on the address bar at the top, type Google Keep, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results page, find and click on the official Google Keep website to make sure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads completely, the Google Keep dashboard will appear on your screen, displaying your saved notes. Now, move your cursor over the note you want to edit and format in bold. Hovering over the note will help you identify it clearly. Click the note to open it. After clicking, your note will appear in a larger view and will be editable, allowing you to make changes to the content. Carefully read through the note and locate the specific text you want to change to bold. Highlight the text by clicking at the beginning of the text, holding down your mouse button, and dragging it across the words you want to format. Once the text is highlighted, find the Formatting Options button, which is represented by an underlined letter, an icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom of the note editing area. Click the Formatting Options button to display additional text styling tools. A pop-up menu will appear, showing several formatting choices. From the available options, select the Bold button, which is represented by a capital B icon. Click the Bold button to apply bold formatting to the highlighted text. After applying the bold style, click anywhere else inside the note to remove the highlight and see the result clearly. If you later decide that you want to return the text to its original style and remove the bold formatting, highlight the text again using the same method as before. Then select the Bold button, represented by the capital B icon, once more to turn off the bold style and restore the normal text appearance.